In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use breakout rooms in Google Meet. If you want to split participants into smaller groups during a meeting, Google Meet includes a breakout rooms feature that can help organize discussions more effectively. This is especially useful for classes, team workshops, training sessions, or any meeting where smaller group conversations are needed. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the option and what to expect when you try to use it. To begin, open your Google Meet session as you normally would. Once you're inside the meeting, look for the Meeting Tools icon. In some layouts, you may instead see the grid of 9 dots, which opens additional options and tools connected to your session. Depending on your version of Google Meet or the device you're using, the interface can look slightly different, so don't worry if the icon placement is not exactly the same. The important thing is to open the tools or app menu associated with the meeting. After that, scroll down through the available options until you find Breakout Rooms. When you see it, click on it to open the Breakout Room settings. This is a section where Google Meet provides access to the feature for dividing attendees into separate smaller rooms. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to carefully check the menu, since some features may appear lower in the list than expected. Now, there's one important thing to know here. To use breakout rooms in Google Meet, you need to be on an eligible upgraded plan. If your account does not include access to this feature, Google Meet will not allow you to proceed with breakout rooms, even if you can locate the option in the interface. So if you click on breakout rooms and find that it's unavailable, restricted, or prompting you to upgrade, that simply means your current plan doesn't support it. If that happens, check your Google Workspace or Google Meet subscription level to confirm whether breakout rooms are included. This can save you time and help you understand whether the limitation is related to your account rather than a technical problem. And that's the basic process for finding and accessing breakout rooms in Google Meet. Once you know where the tool is located and understand that an upgrade may be required, it becomes much easier to determine your next step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.